Alright, so welcome to How to Dyno, and in this video I'd actually like to go over the winners for the custom command contest hosted in the Dyno support server. I want to give a huge shout out to Mergendoof for winning first place in the command contest. Second place was Invisible in Ore. Third place was Igdrizzle. So congratulations to the four of you guys. And if we scroll up here, we can see that the first place winner won 1 month of Dyno Premium, a special role in the server, and their custom command is featured in the Dyno Wiki. Second place winner won a special role in the server, and their custom command is featured in the Dyno Wiki. Third place had their custom command featured in the Dyno Wiki. And now they are being featured on YouTube as well, through How to Dyno. So big thanks to everyone who participated in this contest. If you guys would like to stay up to date with Dyno or win some cool prizes, feel free to join the Dyno server. We're always hosting some type of event, so feel free to stop by. So in this video, what we're going to do is just showcase their commands. I'm really not going to go too deep into these commands. I'm just going to show you how to set it up and show you what they've created. If you guys would like to add them to your server, I will include a link to the Dyno Wiki page in the description, which is also filled with some other cool custom commands that you can grab. Or if you'd like, you can even join the Dyno server and click on these links yourself. So let's get into the video. We're actually in the wiki page. This is where all the commands are showcased. So we've got error scan, slot, and command menu, which is actually similar to a video I've made in the past. So I will go ahead and link that video in the description if you guys would like to learn more on this menu command. So now I'm going to walk you through on how to actually set up these commands. We're going to start with error scan. Under the notes, it says you must create a tag called message1 that outputs scanning for errors, please wait. We're going to go ahead and start off with that. I'm going to go ahead and copy this output, and this is going to be the output of the tag, and we're going to make sure to name our tag message1. So we're going to go ahead and switch to the Dynobot website. Alright, so here we are at the Dynobot website. We're going to navigate to our server. So we're going to click on manage servers. Select the server you like to manage. We'll head over to modules and we're going to find tags. We're going to name this tag message1. For the tag content, we're going to go ahead and paste the message. Next up, we're going to hit add tag. And now we're going to go ahead and copy and paste the custom command. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and click on the add command button, but make sure the module is enabled before doing so. We're going to hit add command. We're going to name this command error scan. Now you can name this whatever you'd like, but we're just going to follow what's listed in the wiki. And please note that this is a fake command, so none of these messages are actually real. This is pretty much just a fun command. We're going to go ahead and paste. Now I wouldn't really mess with any of this, but of course you're free to play around with the command. Next up, we're just going to hit add command. And before I do that, I just want to point out the reason why we needed to name that tag exactly as shown is because up here we call the tag first, message1, and this needs to be exact. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the command. Next up, we're going to go ahead and add the slots command. I'm going to go ahead and add all the commands at once, and then we'll switch over to Discord and test them all in one go. So I've gone ahead and copied the command from the Dyno Wiki page. We're going to hit add command. We're going to name the command slots. Now we're going to go ahead and paste our command. Now with the slots command, there are some things that are tagged out, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. So this elements can be changed to customize the output. We can go ahead and remove that. That's just a comment. We're going to go ahead and remove slots output that displays the result. That's also commented. We're going to remove that. Now we're just going to hit add command. We now have our slots command. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and enter our menu command. So we're going to add our command. We're going to name it menu. We're going to go ahead and paste our command. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and hit add command. And now we've got all three commands in our server. Let's go ahead and test out these commands. Okay, so here we are in our Discord server. We've got 3 custom commands in this server. Pull up the CC list. So we've got error scan, slots, and menu. So let's go ahead and test out the error scan command. As I said earlier, this is a fake command, so none of these errors are real. but it's kind of fun to play with. So we're going to go ahead and run an error scan. As you can see, we run the tag first, and then we've got this error discovered message with the fake ID and then the fake errors, which is kind of cool. And if we go ahead and paste it again, as you can see, we get different errors every time we paste the command. That's pretty cool. Next up, we've got our slots command. We're going to go ahead and run slots. And that's pretty much how this command works. So I've never really done slots before, but I still think this is a pretty cool command. And then last, we have our menu command. So we're going to run menu. The running menu will bring up a list of what you can use. So the real usage is menu followed by the number. If we want to search for a doggy, we can enter menu 1. If we want to search for a kitty, menu 2, and so on and so forth. Let's go ahead and have Dyno give us a bad joke. So we're going to do menu 4, and there's our joke. If we want Dyno to go ahead and pull up a picture of a dog, we're going to run menu 1, and we've got a cute little doggy. If we want Dyno to pull up a picture of a kitty, we're going to do menu 2, and we've got a K in the sink. So those are our 3 winning custom commands featured in the command contest. Feel free to add these to your server to play with, or go ahead and experiment with them and make them your own. Again, I welcome you guys to join the Dyno server. We do host different events and you could win some cool prizes. So thanks for watching and catch you in the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.